In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat in Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a meeting or participating in one, enabling the chat function can be incredibly useful for facilitating communication and collaboration. Let's dive into the process and get started. First, you'll need to open Google Meet and enter the meeting you're hosting or joining. Once you're in the meeting, look to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the lock icon, which is a pivotal part of enabling chat. Click on this lock icon to access host management features. This may sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's simple and straightforward. Host management gives you control over certain settings within your meeting, allowing you to customize the experience for you and your participants. Once inside the host management settings, you'll want to look for the toggle option next to host management. By clicking this toggle, you activate host management capabilities, giving you unlocking access to several features, including chat functions. Now, with host management active, direct your attention to the chat icon. It's located towards the bottom of your screen on the right-hand side. By clicking on this icon, you bring up the chat panel. This panel is where all conversations via chat during your meeting will appear. Finally, you'll see another toggle option, this time to let participants send messages. Click this toggle to enable the chat functionality for all participants within the session. It's a useful tool because it allows everyone to share their thoughts, questions, or feedback without interrupting the speaker. Enabling the chat can enhance engagement, helping participants to be more involved in the discussion. It's important to note that by default, this setting might be turned off in some meetings. Activating it gives participants the freedom to express themselves and contribute to the meeting in a way that's efficient and organized. Remember, utilizing the chat feature can significantly improve the flow of communication, especially in larger meetings where it's challenging for everyone to speak up. It's also a valuable tool for sharing links and resources directly during the meeting, ensuring that information is exchanged in real time. This concludes the steps to enable chat in your Google Meet session. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. By following